Let's create this beautiful smoky glam eyeshadow look on hooded eyes. It is a very simple eyeshadow look even though it looks complicated. So if you're interested, let's get started. To prime the eyelids, we're going to be using the NARS Soft Matte Concealer. It is in the shade Biscuit, which is medium dark 1. Apply this all over the eyelids. Make sure you're blending this into your skin tone. For this tutorial, we're going in with the Natasha Denona My Dream palette, and starting off with the shade Serenity, we are using the Morphe A11 brush and applying this on the crease. Take your time with this shade. Next up, we're going in with the lighter shade Nurture, and we're just going to be blending this into the brow bone. Now to add some eyeshadow shimmer, we're going to go in with the shade Thrill, and we're using our finger to apply this onto the eyelid. Use patting motions so that you get maximum pigment. Do not forget to apply this on the inner corner of the eye. And this is how your eye should look. Next, we're going in with the Hourglass eyeliner. It is a waterproof gel liner, and we're applying this on the upper lash line. Try to bring it as close to the lash line as possible. Deepen out the color even more. And now using the Morphe M213 brush, we're just going to buff all that out. Try to be a bit precise as you can so that blending eventually becomes a lot more easier. After blending, your eye should look like this. We're going to use the shade Blackest Black and set the eyeliner in place while adding a smoky effect. I'm using the same Morphe brush as before. Bring this into the inner corner as well. Next up, we're going in with the shade Edgy, and we're going to use the same brush and pat it a bit over the black shadow that we did. Bring this to the inner corner as well. And now finally, we're going in with the shade Instinct, and we're going to be applying that on top with the Morphe into Arial A7 brush. You can create a wing liner if you like, and now going in with the Hourglass eyeliner again, we're applying this on the lower lash line. Back in with the shade Edgy and Instinct, we're going to blend those two onto the lower lash line. For this step, we are using the Morphe A7 brush. And before mascara, your eye should look something like this. We are using the Half Magic Glitter Pill in the shade Money Please to add a bit of glitter. This is optional. For mascara, I'm using the new Maybelline Firework Mascara to apply this on the lashes. It has a beautiful, flexible wand which will give you insane length and volume. Just look at how easily it's coating the lashes. And this is the smoky glam eyeshadow look that I promised you at the beginning of the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you again in the next video. See ya!